We will use a low-power wide area network, also called LPWAN. Our LoPy can use two technologies, Sigfox and LoRaWAN. We will start with Sigfox, which has good coverage in France. Purchasing a LoPy gives you 1 year of network subscription. This video will be divided into several parts. In the first part, we will see how to connect an object to the Sigfox network, and in the following parts, how to retrieve data. Using an LPWAN will lead to our LoPy connecting to a network outside our home, even though USB and Wi-Fi remain available. The data will initially be received and stored outside your home. The most delicate part will therefore be retrieving messages sent by the sensor. To use the Sigfox network, you must register the device with the operator. We need its ID and PAC, which is a kind of password. The Sigfox_I.py program gives us these. This program also sends a message which will allow us to test if the configuration is correct. Warning: anyone with the PAC can take control of your device. You create an account on the Sigfox website and register your device with the identifier and PAC given by the program, and you're set for a year of communication on the Sigfox network. By selecting devices and clicking on its ID, then on message, you have the list of messages received by Sigfox when you ran the Sigfox_I.py program.